Good morning, students. I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss the political division of North America. As you can see in the map, that North America comprises many countries, of which two occupy more than three-fourths of its area, and these are United States and Canada. These lies in to the north of Tropic of Cancer. This line which passes through Mexico is known as the Tropic of Cancer. South of this line, the continent becomes very narrow. The countries of Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, El Salvador, and Panama form Central America. The tropical island of Caribbean Sea are collectively known as West Indies. They include Cuba, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Puerto Rico, and few others. The islands in the north of this are known as the Baffin, Ellesmere, Victoria are the islands. These are big islands and often snow covered. Greenland, which is geographically a part of North America but belongs to Denmark, it is the largest island in the world. Newfoundland is another island you can see here in the map, and large island of the northeast coast of North America. It is also an important center of fishing. The Antilles Islands belong to northwest coast appear to extend like a chain. You can see here in this map, and like a chain the countries of Asia and North America. Now we will discuss about the few important cities of North America. First of all, Washington DC. You can see here Washington DC is here. This city in the District of Columbia is the capital of United States of America and is a symbol of unity, history, and democracy. The plan of this city was prepared by the architect Pierre Charles L. Infant for the first president of the USA, George Washington. This city lies along the bank of River Potomac in the northeast of the country, and the important buildings of this city is White House, the Supreme Court, Liberty of Congress, and the Jefferson Monument. This area is also known as for the famous theater named as Ford Theater. Second city is New York. It is the building. New York is a part of three islands named Manhattan, Seattle, and Long Island. You can see here in the map. Here New York is there, and partly on New Jersey Islands. It is the second largest city of North America. Port of New York is the largest and busiest, and it is there on Hudson River, and it is world famous for Statue of Liberty on Liberty Island. Erie Canal connect New York to the Great Lakes region, and leading industrial center with the industries such as textile, chemicals, engineering, shipbuilding, food processing, printing, and publishing. Sugar and jewelry is also the main industry of this region. New York is world famous for its Wall Street. It is also the headquarters of United Nations. Chicago, located on Chicago River, on the entrance of Michigan, and here it worked as a junction for rail station. It was once a heart of grain and meat packing. Soon it became greatest center for the industries in North America. South Chicago is known for its big oil refineries. Next is Los Angeles. It is the third largest city of United States. It is a globally well developed city for business, entertainment, trade, media, sports, education. Several big ports are there like San Pedro. Hollywood is the center of film industry for the world. Mexico City is the capital of Mexico and the largest city of North America. It is located in the Valley of Mexico, and the famous landmark of this city is Floating Garden of Examilo and the Angels of Independence. Next is Ottawa. It is capital of Canada along the river Ottawa, and famous landmark of this city is Eden Canal, the Central Chamberlain, the Confederation Square, and the Parliament building of this area. Next is Montreal, and this is the second largest city in Canada and known for its largest inland port in the world. Began as a French settlement and also known as Paris of Canada, it is located on the junction of River St. Lawrence, Ottawa, and Richelieu. It is a great commercial center and leading grain port, one of the continent container port. Toronto is the fourth most populous city of North America with a population of 2.7 million. It is capital of Ontario and an economic capital for Canada. It is located on Lake Ontario and center of higher education and research for North America.